There we go. Okay. This we're not doing any of that today because now I'm back to art. Uh, we'll close that without saving. I think I was gonna leave that the way it is, and now we're doing script, and we're okay. Dragon rooms is not dragon room. Okay, so let's check this out first here. Um, Kudos to the one person that's watching right now. That's great. Um, and I should go ahead and do the thing. Oh yeah. Uh, let's see if I can. Okay, squish this down as much as we can, as much as we can, so that Okay, so then let's see. So someone was saying that they couldn't read the code even though they weren't coders. So I'm gonna see about it's not project preferences or settings, editor, some sort of editor settings. Hmm. Font size, code font size. Let's make it 28. Let's make this. Oh wow, whoa, awesome. 28. Actually, let's make the main font size small. We'll make the code. We'll put this back to say we'll say 16, and then we'll go down and where'd you go? Here, we'll put this at 24. We'll do that. Or there we go. Not much different, but at least now you should be able to see the code more or less. Okay. And I don't know how to save the settings, but I'm assuming that they'll be saved on closing here. And then let's guess I can do this. It's gonna cut off the thing over here, but here. Guess let's do that. And this. Um wait. And do it kind of like that. Uh well, sort of like that, I guess. I guess that'll be all right. Doesn't need to be anything specific. In fact, it um, looks like that's pretty good. Let's, what did I do? I did the top, right? Okay, that's okay. I'll just leave it like that. It doesn't really matter. It's just something that goes on the background. And hopefully this means that you can see it a little bit better, the code a little bit better. Still don't know if it's good enough, but we'll work with this for a while. And let me go ahead and bring up the what is that? Okay, that's that. That means I need a new window. Let's do a new window. Let's go ahead and we'll put Python. And we'll go to chats and we'll go to this one and we'll bookmark this one under Enchanted Dev, and I'll remove the other one later. Okay, let me test this out. Today is Friday, November 14th, 2025, approximately 2:22 p.m. Eastern U.S. time. Now let me run the scene and see where I need to fix it. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and put this up. I don't care if it covers the screen, that's all right. So this is what we're doing. All right. Zoom out a little bit. Okay. So what I want to do is, right, not dragging rooms because it's moving. That's fine. And I click on room, click as the channel lands. Okay. Let's go ahead and select. See, I can't select them now. That's the thing is why. Do this. Okay, we'll start this over again. Okay. If not, is dragging rooms. Don't do anything. When you right click, see, not event press. That means right click. That means not right click. That means when you let up. When you let up, is dragging rooms is false. Okay, let's not do this. Um oh yeah, I have errors now. See, this is the problem with the stupid indentation crap. I can't just selectively comment stuff out. What did I do? Control tab. Control tab. That's not what I'm doing. Shift tab. That's what I want to do. Shift tab. What's all these stupid errors for? Let's through that. What? What is going on here? Okay, something is weird. Let's reload save scene. Everything is there. Okay, it just means okay, I guess I know what's going on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have code in there in the tool script, I think, to remove the rooms. So now when I go back to it, they're gone. So I have to reload save scene. There was there was a reason that I did that. I don't remember what the reason was. So I'm just not going to worry about that. It works fine. So that's not really actually a problem. Okay, so let's try this again. Okie dokie, Fanoki. Right? Okay. All right here. It's not dragging rooms. See? Right? That's normal. Okay. Right? That's fine. I go in. I clicked on it. It is dragging rooms. I lit up. It's not dragging rooms. Okay. The only thing is the last is because it's the last deal. So my problem was yesterday was that I saved the last one clicked on, and really that was just supposed to be sort of like a toggle. Okay. This registers I clicked on something, and now I'm dragging it because I'm moving. Right? Am I still dragging? I'm still dragging. Am I still dragging? Okay. This is where I have a kind of some kind of trouble here. Um, Maybe my problem is dragging rooms. Maybe that should be, if not dragging rooms, for the clear thing here. So let's see. Let's go to, okay, let's go down to here. If not, shift mod, and not is dragging rooms. Not dragging rooms. Clear selection. Now, really what this should do is uh, it should detect that there was some dragging going on, uh, in which case it should not mess with the clearing part of it. I mean, I might get that to work fine. Okay. How come it's not? Why is it? Okay. Is dragging rooms? Is not dragging rooms. I'm trying to figure out where is dragging rooms is being done even. Input. Okay. Is dragging is true. Okay, last click room. Okay. Selected rooms has. So this is the thing that gets me here. Right? So we do this. We do that. How come it's not dragging rooms is how come it's not dragging rooms? Okay, I see. Right? Still the last. Wait a second. Is dragging rooms. Uh, it's not dragging rooms. Okay. I don't want it to mess with the selection if it's I want it to clear out any selections. If it's wait a minute. Yeah. If it's not dragging rooms and you're not holding down the shift, then clear the selection. If you are dragging rooms around, do not clear the selection, which means it works normal. That should be okay. What's not okay is the fact is how I'm using this. Wait, go up this. Last clicked room might be null. Let me think for a second. Problem is, last clip room. Selected rooms should have last clipped room though. Ugh. Okay, so let me confirm how this when it works correctly. I selected these two. They're selected. I click on the last selected one. Okay. How come it keeps saying it's not dragging rooms? And then is dragging rooms. Something's not resetting is a problem, isn't it? Is that the deal? Now we're dragging rooms. Oh, okay. Okay, so let's copy this code here. Okay, so this code is executed whenever you left mouse is down, as you can see by the escape. But at that exact moment might not be set yet, depending on timing of the signal from the room. Even if it is set, you're always making the selection box visible by calling update. This doesn't. Okay. Uh, back up a bit. I don't care if the selection box shows. In fact, I want everything to work like normal. But the actual functionality I want is I want to be able to click and drag on any already selected panel and have it print out is dragging rooms as long as I'm holding the button down. Okay, and let me do one more thing here, which I haven't given it the code for that, but where's the down here? Where's the okay, let's just do this. That and make sure that we'll see if that works. See, it says it's not dragging rooms. Now it's still not dragging rooms. Okay. Okay, you want to keep everything working as normal selection, but also detect and print as dragging rooms when you're clicking on already selected panel. Question is actually printing dragging panels when you click on select the room. If not, the likely issue is last room isn't set yet. Mouse when the mouse button press event fires. Last clicked room isn't in selected rooms. Um, okay. All right, we'll do that. Okay, sure. Sure, I can do that. That's a good idea. Okay. So, what is the printout? It's not even printing there. Where is not dragging rooms? Let's go ahead and we're gonna comment this out because they were also debug prints. So let's just do that and we'll rerun it. Okay. Um, Selection box, entering panel, exiting panel. I need to let's print 3. Uh, where's our print? Layout tool ready. That's not what we want. Where is it at? Oh, there we go. This is the one I wanted. Okay. There we go. Now when I run it, shouldn't do anything. Let's move this up here. On area input room clicked. On room clicked. Enchanted lands. Huh. Okay, it's not even printing those at all, which is interesting. Uh, where are we at? Doggone ya. Okay, there we go. Input. Drag started. Oh, last. Okay, okay, okay. It's up there. It's null. Last clicked rooms, selected rooms. Okay. Last clicked room is null. So maybe I don't want it to be null. I'm just saying maybe I was just gonna, if you clicked on it, if you released it, the timing, the room's input event signal might be processed somewhere else. Don't set last click room to null on release. Just leave it as is, the last room that was clicked. Check during mouse motion instead of on press. By the time the mouse moves, the signal will have fired. Check during mouse motion. Probably the first, but I'll still need to clear it at some point. Why? Maybe when you release the mouse button and input. See what it says. Let's see what it says. Probably the first, but I still need to clear it at some. Okay, it's exactly cleared an input when the mouse button is released. This way, the room signals which room was last clicked. Layout tool clears it when the mouse button is released globally. Will be valid during the entire click drag release cycle. Try that. All right, we'll try it. We'll try it. Okay. So last clicked. Hey, let's rename this. Control R. That's last room. Place all. Okay. Um, last room clicked. Okay. Now we go. Now we gotta go with the layout room, and then I need to fix the. I need to find the. Yeah. Um, Emit signal room clicked self. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna comment this out so that it doesn't do that. And then back in the layout tool, on room clicked, and it's not gonna do that. It's just gonna fire that one time. But we're gonna click. Let's go to input, and let's go ahead and at the very end here, last room clicked. That I changed just a quick note. I changed last put room to last room put. But I will test it just a moment, please. Changed. Okay, so let's test this thing out. Which is just simple. It's just gonna tell us. Last room click, selected rooms. There's nothing in it. Okay. Now, when I click on selected room, last room clicked is null. Okay. Uh, last room clicked, still null. So that didn't really have any effect. I might need to check for room clicks in layout tool rather than register them in layout room. Good thinking. The issue is likely that error 2D input signal fires after global input. Instead of relying on the signal time, you can just check for room clicks directly in layout tools input. Um, get node interactive area. Okay, I guess I could probably do this anyways here. And mouse position. And I can just do it from drag start position too. It doesn't have to be a separate deal. Um, I guess let me try that. Uh, we're gonna comment us when clicked. I'm gonna say if room. That way I can comment this out and I don't have to rely on that. And now it's not setting it. So now I have to go back down to input and down here. And let's just remove these print statements. No, read it like this. C V mouse. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna do the test first. I'm gonna do drag start position. If area dot I don't know. I don't remember what oh, area 2D's over here. Okay. Methods. Rectangle. Shape 2D. Methods. Collide. Get right. Oh. Shape. Area 2D. I forget how to do it. Uh, I'm just gonna do a general search here. Go 4.3. Now do I check if a point is inside an area to be intersect point Extract space state. Uh, Rect 2 has point to check if the point lies within the rectangle's bounds. Okay. I wonder. Okay. All right. Let's go to layout room. See something here. I'd like a get wrecked. I mean, I had a get wrecked. Get wrecked. No. Um. hmm. It shouldn't be this tricky though. Honestly, it should have a thing where you don't get points or whatever, and you get the point. Oh, where? What? What? Where? What? Oh. Okay. One area entered inside. I don't know. It's just that. Okay, so that's a weird thing. Like, what I know, what the one thing I could do is I can return the rectangle of the panel pretty easily, and then I can find if it has the point based on the rectangle it returns. So that has nothing to do with the input here. But you'd think setting up an area, a rectangle shape, collision shape or whatever, you'd be able to say if a point is within the area there or whatever. It's like not an easy. It's like it should be an easy way of doing this. Seems very complex for what should be a simple operation. You mean area 2D or its collision shape doesn't have a method to determine if a point is inside it? Should be simple. Actually, collision shape 2D doesn't have a direct point and shape method, but collision object 2D, which area 2D inherits from, it has useful methods. However, the simplest approach is to check the area 2D overlaps uh, with a point using a point query. Space state, get world 2D, direct space state, physics point. I don't know, it just sounds weird and weird and screwed up to me. You have to do this weird drawn out crap just to, well, I can always return the bounding rect of the panel, and then just use a rect get point or intersect or something. I forget the name of the function, uh, but I can do it that way. But it just seems weird that you can't do that directly. Since that is actually the simplest and most direct approach, Rect2 has point method. Panel rect is Rect2. Voice cleaner than physics queries or signal timing issues. And yeah, it does seem weird. Area 2D doesn't have a simple is point inside method, but this works great. Okay, I might just have to do that, I guess. Yeah, so it is. And I don't have to do the rect like that exactly. I can do it. Okay. Why is it called rect2 and not simply rect? Integer coordinates. Explicitly 2D rectangle to distinguish it from 3D bounding volumes. It's a bit redundant since there's no plain rect class, but keeps the naming consistent. Okay, thanks. Uh, I'm still working on it. Give me a few minutes. Um, let's go back. Okay, so we're in layout room. Wait, resize panel is actually the last function in here. Okay. Um, function funk. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Colon wrecked 2. Wait a second. I'm just forgetting about everything, so just a sec here. That's interesting. Oh. Well, dang. Okay, colon. There we go. That's what I need to do. Okay. Right. And we need to do that before. And we need to do that. There we go. Okay, right. Let's see. Let's call this I don't know, I guess I could get node or null, so if it returns a null, that means it can't use it. Get node, node, no. Panel. Actually, I don't know if its panel is uh um panel rect equals get node panel var what is going on here? What is wrong here? Oh, it's still the same thing. Okay, panel rect dot no, that's it. Equals get node panel dot I don't know. I got it. Where's we'll find panel has no panel, right? I should probably say if has node panel. Okay. Node panel. Then um panel let's see. Our panel rect equals what am I trying to do? I don't know what I'm trying to do here. Just a sec. I'm almost running out of time too. I only got like 15 minutes left now. Panel rect equals uh rect 2 dot, what is it? There we go. What if I 0? No. Enter 2 dot. Wait, dot 0. Vector 2 does do that, but do I have a rect 2 in here? No. Do I? Look up symbol from rect 2I, position size, float. Oh, I see. I can just do a blank one. I just do that. That's fine. Okay, I guess that's fine. All right, all right. I get it. I get it. Panorect equals that. Uh, and our panel. What is panel? Panel. Where is size panel? Like setup visuals. Great. Separator. Where's the? Oh, there's panel. Right there. Panel equals panel.new, panel.name. Add child panel. I don't know. All right, we'll do this. Var panel node equals null, like that. I don't need the semicolon, but I'll do it anyways. It's my thing here. Let's go ahead and just do what I do here. That and func get rect. Okay, that's fine. Panel node equals get node panel. Now let's just do this. Let's do return panel node like that. Actually, I don't know that that should have worked because I'm not returning the panel node, am I? I'm returning the panel rect. So let's do panel rect. There we go. If it's got a panel node not. I could have just done a this and a size. Isn't there a size everything? Resize panel. Resize panel. The panel.x and panel dot the rectangle. Panel rect dot position equals sure. X. Nope. What am I doing? What's wrong here? I don't know why Dad's turning up the volume here first thing. How do I create a rect to from the panels from a panel's position and size? Maybe it doesn't have position. I don't know. I don't remember. Right size. Position and rect size. Right. Get rect. Just a little bit differently. Return. Right. Which that doesn't mean size. Can I use size directly? No. Not declared in current scope. Um, oh. All right, we're gonna see if panel rect. Okay, var panel rect. Wait a second. What? Get rect. Do we have a get rect? Do we have a self dot get rect? That's right. Var panel equals get node for null panel. Okay. If panel, then um, uh, var panel rect equals null. Okay. If panel panel rect equals panel dot get, it can get rect. Let's do something here. See, time is up already. Doggone it. How do I get panel dimensions in Godot 4.3? When I change the panel size, got it. Panel dot size. It's a size. Okay. Equals rect to position panel dot size. So what's the issue now? What's the issue here? I don't care about this. There we go. Okay. Return panel rect. Panel rect. That. There we go. Get rect. Okay, let's go into the tool real quick. And let's just, we'll comment these out, I guess. Here, we'll do this. For room and select the rooms.values. Print panel rect equals room dot get rect. That's if you mouse down, which is fine. And it should just give me a debug if even if it's wrong, I guess. Okay. Okay, there we go. If. Okay, so let's do something else here. Var rect equals room.get rect. Now we can just say rect, and we can go if rect dot has, was it has point? Drag start position print put on a selected room panel. And we'll just do that. I mean, it doesn't necessarily mean that it'll do it. That'll work, but let's see if this does what I want it to do. Hmm. Uh-oh. So we got the translation problem back again, I guess. Um, Probably. Okay, so what's the mouse position then? What's, I don't remember. Okay, print drag start pause equals drag start pause. It's gonna be like 10,000 or something weird thing, or maybe not even that now. But I thought my get mouse position function now reported correctly their correct position and stuff. Room position. Panel rect is 2400, 1156. Okay, room position is that, which is correct. Size 584 by 257, that's fine. Um, drag starts 374, 62, and 1167. Okay, so the position is the center, which is fine. And it's a little up from the center. Okay, so how come this doesn't work? Clicked on the selected room panel should be there. Should be there somewhere. Drag ended. Panel rect. Room position. Drag start position. I don't know. The rect seems correct. The mouse position seems correct. Well, I need to get off here, so um here's an interesting question. Here's my code. Here is the output. Copy. And how come selected? How come it's not printing a message when my mouse position and the room position correspond properly? That should not be. Correct as local coordinates. That's not right, though. No. Okay. I guess I hit the position. Slow position. That's fine. Position equals negative pounds. Uh, it's probably okay. Okay, I know what to do too. I can't you really use it right now. I'll have to wait till tomorrow. I don't know how Claude's thing resets if at all. Um, okay. What I do is I do project. I do is it in settings? No, debug. Full collision shapes. Okay, we'll try. I guess we'll try that. That should work. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's not showing me what I want to know. Project settings, collision shapes is not what I want. Hmm. Okay, I think I probably know what the problem is, anyways. Rect. Yeah, position. Get rect. It's gonna be actually be position divided by 2. Panel size. Yeah. Um. And it's probably the only problem. We'll see if that's the problem though. So it might be the other way around. It might be like, I'm pretty sure this is what my problem was before, anyways. So let's just try it, and if that doesn't work, I'm gonna quit, anyways. So, oh, let's do it. Do it. Clicked on selected panel. That is it, isn't it? Clicked on selected panel. Clicked on selected panel. I didn't click on any panel there. Okay. That's right. That was the problem. Okay, cool. Got it done. Got this done. So now I can actually use that to actually do what I was going to do. But I don't think I necessarily have the what was I gonna do? If rect has point. So now we can determine if it is dragging. So right, we can actually say is dragging rooms is true that way. In fact, I don't even need to do this other part down here. So if I just Control K that. All right, we'll get to the rest of that the next time. Either I'm not sure, either Monday or it will be next week, the Monday after, because my dad has a couple of appointments. I'm not sure if I want to take that off or if I should just go ahead and just like just won't be streaming those 2 days. I could just do it like that. So we'll see. Thanks for watching part 2. Evening again. Yeah, Brooke, I just noticed that now. Um, okay. So yeah, thank you for watching part 2. I'll catch you. I suppose I'll catch you Monday. I guess I'm still planning to do that. So yeah, I'll catch you Monday. Um, and we'll talk later. Thanks for watching.